Hello all, my name is Abhiram Bommareddy. I am a full stack engineer, machine learning enthusiast. I'm an AWS certified solution architect and AWS certified machine learning specialist. And I'm a PhD candidate working on my cybersecurity and artificial intelligence. Over the past several years, my work has focused on designing intelligent security frameworks for financial platforms where the environments that are not only cloud native but also highly regulated. Today, I'll be sharing with you how AI powered security can transform cloud microservices with my experience down from AWS and Kubernetes. As organizations move towards microservices, security challenges become more complex. First, the attack surface expands. Instead of a single monolith, now we have hundreds of small services communicating with each other, which creates more entry points for attackers. Second, we deal with dynamic infrastructure. Containers scale up and down within seconds, and static security rules simply can't keep up. And thirdly, there is compliance complexity. In industries like finance and insurance and healthcare, regulations require continuous monitoring and audit trails across workloads that may only live for a few minutes. This creates an environment where traditional security models struggle. So this is where AI makes a meaningful difference. Instead of relying solely on static rules, we can use intelligent systems that adapt in real time. With predictive analytics, machine learning models analyze patterns and can forecast potential security incidents before they even occur. Anomaly detection helps us spot unusual behavior in real time. For example, if your microservice starts suddenly making unexpected network calls, and with automated response, systems can act immediately to contain and remediate threats without waiting for human intervention. Together, these capabilities transform security from reactive defense to proactive prevention. Let me share a real world example on a financial insurance platform. We deployed microservices on AWS EKS using Istio as the service mesh, and there was an integration with ML based threat detection, ML based model directly with Kubernetes network policies. And a zero trust network architecture was implemented at the pod level, with which the result was the platform achieved around 99.7% of uptime during peak transactions, while also reducing the false positives by 65% and while detect, cutting the detection time from hours to just minutes. This just illustrates how AI-powered security can directly improve both resilience and efficiency in real-world financial systems. And the key security layers to discuss about this, we built around defenses around across four layers, creating a depth of security that adapts to threats. Zero trust network, where every communication is verified, no implicit trust. Service mesh policies, governing and securing inter-service communication scale. Pod level controls, limiting what each containerized service is allowed to do, enforcing the least privilege, and hardening the underlying AWS and Kubernetes environment. By layering these controls, we ensure that if one line of defense failed, another would immediately engage. And another crucial advantage of AI in security is automation. There is 24 by 7 monitoring, and with which we can reduce the manual work of up to 90%, where the basic incident handling are automated, freeing security teams to focus on rather strategic issues. The response times were also under 5 minutes, where the automated systems can quarantine compromised containers or cut off any traffic almost instantly, drastically reducing the window of exposure. This type of automation is invaluable when dealing with high volume, high stakes environments, especially in financial transactions or a HIPAA related healthcare practices. And for scaling, organizations looking to adopt AI powered security, these should be very critical. They should always start with small and begin with the most critical services and then scale smartly. Use data-driven tuning, continuously refine ML models with real telemetry data, and ensure there is cross-team integration, security, DevOps, and platform teams. All teams must align. And finally, embed compliance automation, so all requirements are met automatically. This way, security becomes not just an add-on, but an embedded part of the platform. And few takeaways from this small PPT to conclude. AI transforms security from reactive defense to proactive prevention. ML enables us not just to detect but to predict threats. Integration is key. AI tools must work seamlessly with AWS ecosystem and with Kubernetes. And importantly, compliance becomes more manageable, allowing agility without sacrificing regulatory requirements. Thank you so much for all of your time and attention. I hope this presentation has shown how AI can reshape security for cloud microservices and why it is essential for highly dynamic and regulated industries. Please do post your questions in comments. Thank you so much.